Okay, look at the soap with add now 50-50 oil and water, and a very strong soap. It came out well with additional adna and foam so well. Once again, you are welcome to my channel. Today I will be putting on how to make our soap, laundry bar soap with 50-50. What do I mean by 50? 100% of water, 100% of oil, with the addition of adna, and it came out so well. Here is my palm oil, bleach palm oil, and then PKO, 50-gram palm kernel oil, 50-gram bleach palm oil in the cup. You can see, if you remember how we bleached our palm oil, that's the bleach palm oil with the palm kernel. And here is the light solution. This is the light solution I will be adding to it. Just 17 grams of caustic with water. The details of the recipe will be written at the end of the production. And here is the adna I use to add in the soap because of the water, the excess water there. Okay, so we're good to go. What is the next thing we are going to do? Remember, this is our oil. Because of the water, you don't need to even warm at this stage. You don't have to warm, but if you warm, it's not bad. Okay, and there are two ways you can go about it. If you like, add this your adna to your caustic soda, or you add it to the butter, but I'll be using the method of adding to the butter. So what you see me do is mixing the lye solution with the oil, trying to adjust to make sure everybody sees it well. So you mix your lye solution with the oil and mix, add it and mix, add it and mix. As much as possible, always avoid thick trace. Yes, make sure your doesn't form thick trace while you are still doing it. It's very simple. It's not difficult at all. It's very simple. That's my butter. Okay, so just make sure that it is well mixed. And at this time, I'm going to be adding my adna now. That's my adna. You see me pour, and then I mix it to butter. You know, like I said, you can use it directly on the butter. You can use it on the lye solution. The choice is yours. Okay, so the essence of this adna is to help absorb the excess water to make my soap solid. And oh my God, you will see how solid and strong it is, and how it lathers well, which of course you have seen from the beginning of the video. It lathers well. And so what do? We pour it into our mold. Any mold is your choice. Okay, yes. The little one, of course, I've poured it. That's the little one I used for the sample at the beginning of the video. Please like it if you're here to like it, and do subscribe if you have not subscribed. To all my returning subscribers, you're awesome people. Thank you so much. God bless you. And as you like it, please do share it. Keep coming back to the channel to watch my video. I appreciate you so much. And don't forget to buy my ebook. It's just a token, and you have so much to learn. And here is our soap. Look at it. What are you saying? Look at it. So that's the small remnant one that remain. Okay, look at it. It's very strong. It's very strong. Okay, thanks so much. See you next time.